Triser sliding lock installation. Triser 3-point cutout. Triser 3-point fitting instructions. The fitting instructions can be found via the QR code on the box. Triser multi-point component layout. Step 1. Inserting the multi-point rods and actuator bar. Connect the lower rod to the actuator bar and insert through the top cutout. Note, ensure that the kink in the rod is at the bottom when inserting into the actuator bar. Connect the top rod to the actuator bar, then attach the multi-point and place down into the top cutout. Note, the plastic sleeves on the rods reduce unwanted rattling noises. Step 2. Attach the bottom multi-point. Connect the second multi-point to the lower rod and place into the bottom cutout. Step 3. Inserting the lock body into the cutout. Insert the lock body into the cutout, ensuring that the actuator lug engages with the lock body hole. Important note, it is crucial that the lock bar cam is fully depressed before inserting the cylinder. If the lock bar cam is not depressed, the cylinder will be blocked and jam. Step 4. Insert the cylinder into the main lock body. Insert the cylinder into the lock body, turn the key to deadlock, and fix with the pointed tip cylinder screw supplied with the Triser kit. Step 5. Fix the main lock and multi-points. Ensure that the main lock is unlocked and that the multi-points are flush. Then screw fix with 8-gauge countersink screws. Step 6. Test main lock and multi-point operation. Turn the key to ensure that the main lock can be deadlocked and that the multi-points are fully engaging. Step 7. Fixing the furniture. Select the interior handle to suit your door, then punch out the snib hole using a screwdriver. Insert the snib and latch to the internal furniture plate. Select the correct external furniture plate and fix the snib plug on the inside of the furniture plate. Insert the latch to the furniture plate. Select the external furniture. Insert the screw plugs and place onto the lock style. Select the internal furniture and fix to the style using 25mm countersink screws. Step 8. Insert hole plugs. Once furniture is firmly fixed, insert the concealed screw caps. Step 9. Ensure operation. Test the key and snip to ensure the main lock and multi-points are deadlocked in the locked position and flush in the unlocked position.